I'm Tim.
And I'm Marilyn.
I'm Eli.
And we own a house in Montana.
One of the things that we find frustrating in this room is the many doors.
And also the space in the middle is really not being used unless Eli plays. He brings his toys out and then it's like all over the place. I usually sit on the couch and do my iPad stuff. Finding a spot sometimes is not always easy.
There's also the television that's quite far away.
It's also harder because the light in the background, we can't really see it well.
I just never thought about how we could do it differently. Coming home to a new room was really wonderful.
Yeah.
And I could see straight away how we can use this space.
I was just so surprised how much space it seems to have created.
And now IKEA has created these two distinct zones. We're still in the same room, but we feel that we all have our own little place to be. And that's wonderful.
Another added feature is that we've got added storage, which I love.
We organised the board games in one drawer and my toys in the other and craft in the middle.
And that's worked really well because we know where everything is.
And now I can find my board games.
I love how IKEA has thought about the different lighting that comes into this room because we've allowed so much natural light with the sheer linen drops.
It's just great to have the photo frames all in one spot.
And also put Eli's artwork in there as well. We've had a movie night just recently, and two, yes.
Now we can just look at the TV and it's much closer. We can also see it much clearer. We've got all the space and the natural lighting. It's just great.
The way IKEA has laid out the room, it allows us to be more connected in more ways than one. That's just great.